Hello everyone, long time no see. In this video, I'll show you how to change the login and password for the WordPress admin panel. Let's get started. If you've forgotten the login and password to your WordPress site's admin panel, you can easily create a new login and password to access the control panel. First, you need to go to your site's database in phpMyAdmin. My site is on a local hosting setup with Open Server. But if your site is on a different hosting provider, you'll need to log into the database section and also access phpMyAdmin. To log in, you'll need the database username and password for your site. For me, on local hosting, it's just root with no password. Once inside phpMyAdmin, find the database for the site where you need to update the admin login details. Next, select the table named Users, usually prefixed as WP users, but in my case, it's DD users. Click on that table. Find the row corresponding to the admin user and click on the pencil icon to edit it. Here you can change the user's nickname, login, and admin email. In the user pass field, you can set a new password for logging into the admin panel. Since the current password is encrypted, we can't see it, but we can set a new one. To do this, enter your new password and select MD5 from the drop-down menu next to it. I will also change the login here to make it more secure. Once you have made the necessary changes, scroll down and click the Go button to save them. Now the changes have been successfully applied. Let's head over to the admin panel and try logging in with the new username and password. If you found this video helpful, please support me with a like and a subscription. Thanks for watching and see you next time.